They're attacking Rosalind's bus! Pretty cool. Wait! No! Ah! Why? This is awful, but hilarious! Oh no, I hope Rosalind's all right.
We better go help her, Juliet.
What's this then?
This place is freaking me out. My not heart is beating 1,000,000 miles an hour.
All right!
Fuck yeah.
Pop it! Looking good.
Yeah.
Sweet! Cool, a headless body.
I always appreciated your rock
stick me on
hard
that
butt,
sucker.
Juliet, but it's kind of hurting the back of my skull.
Shut up, Nick. I know you're just being ironic because of my ginormous ass. Ugh.
This is the most disgusting farm ever.
Oh, well. Yeah!
1,
Yeah!
2, 3,
Woo!
4,
Yes!
5,
Ha!
6,
Ha! Yes!
7,
Yes!
8, 9,
Ah!
10,
Yeah!
10.
Now.
5, 10. Go.
And up you go, babe.
Hey, quit cupping a feel with your disgusto zombie hands. I don't want.
What the cows up to? How's the horses?
Ugh! Another lame-o bomber zombie. Now it's mine.
I got hemorrhoids.
Oh, you're the fattest zombie I've ever seen. Oh, wait, sorry. I didn't mean to be insensitive. Die!
I'm dying.
Hey, that dude seems a little too intimate with those chickens, if you know what I mean.
You mean he has sex with them? Vomit! Eat it up.
Oh well.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yo, got this.
Everything up until now was kind of fun, but this is seriously creeping me out.
Aloha.
The memories of this place are gonna ruin the smell of cow shit for me forever. Okay!
Perfect!
Cool! Chainsaw blaster. Ha! What's this then? Blaster! What does goo goo gajoob mean?
I think it means like, hey, what's up? Oh man.
Where's my dinner? Huh?
Chainsaw Blaster!
Wow, I really hope your sister isn't dead.
Why are you saying that, Nick?
Sorry.
I wonder what they have. That's it! That's it! I found something! Check this out! Well?
Where's the chicken?
Get off my farm!
Oh man, I was just thinking, I wish there were some flying zombies around here.
Why were you thinking that? They're trying to kill us!
I was being facetious.
Oh! I'll take care of them, Nick.
What happened to my legs?